If you notice some raised surface or tunnels in your backyard lawn, you might have moles. Stay tuned on the best remedy to trap those little suckers. The key to trapping a mole is placement of the trap. If you look around your backyard where they've been having a little mole playground, you might notice a concentrated area of tunnels. That's likely going to be their feeding ground. You don't want to put a trap directly into a feeding ground area, but instead a tunnel that leads into that area. It's the most likely place you're going to catch them. So these clamps are going to be what come down on the mole. There's one on each side, so it's very important to visualize the tunnel. Be sure that these are lined up in the direction of travel for the mole. That's nice soft ground today. Good time to place them is when you've had rain, not the day before, but if you get rain 2 to 3 days prior, this will slide in like butter. So this here is the tunnel, and a pro tip is to just pat down some of the raised dirt adjacent to the trap so the mole is more tempted to rerun that tunnel. Now it's time to set the trap. To set the trap, get some closed-toed shoes, simply put all your weight down on it until this thing is flat and horizontal. Woo! They having a mole party down there. All right, we found our second location. This is where you'll want to stick that flat blade screwdriver or similar to release the tension. Now in this disarmed position, it's completely safe. You can pull it up from the ground because that tension has been released and it has closed.